10 out in front, followed by a HPI slash killer. Here they come across the line. All very close to the right. Okay, he does be Ooh, Jake gets a little bit of hold of the fight. On your fries too. Going on the back straightaway. Here he goes off the table single. Can't quite get all of it. All-wheel drive, anything goes in that class. Okay guys, remember this is qualifying, so if there's a vehicle that's a little bit faster, you gotta stay away from each other, give each other lots of room. Here you go.
Hey, is that you using reverse? No reverse. You're backing out in the car.
Justin in second. Tad's moved up to third. He just got by Dragon on that lap. Battle for third would be going down the back straightaway. Dragon trying to make up time over that triple, but it wipes out just a little bit. Lands on his wheels, but Tad gets a little further ahead.